With two authorities, it has been reported from Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu. He says that he or someone else asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is the most fatal sin according to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is that you should associate a partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whereas He Jalla Jalaluhu alone has created you. I asked, then which one? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, that you kill your progeny fearing lest they should eat with you. I then asked, which is next? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this one that you commit fornication with your neighbor's wife. He says, in this verification of the Prophet's word, this verse was revealed. And those who worship not any other God along with Allah, and kill not the soul which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has forbidden unjustly. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4761.